do this so I can show y'all without hurting myself. Let's go away from me. Over there trying to watch a game. He almost made me buy YouTube TV because he wanted to watch the football game with announcers. We have packages. What is this? It better come with a stick. Okay. This is the cake topper. These are cupcake toppers. I have gold pumpkins, pink pumpkins. Uh-oh, can't see it. Pink pumpkins and blue pumpkins. Is that glue dots? They gave us glue dots to stick the cake topper on here. Yeah, that's that package. Team boy, team girl. Backdrop with stickers. These are just regular balloons. Kit. The balloon garland kit. Box. What's up, you guys? I'm filming on the phone cam outside, so that's why it's a little loud. But let me show you what I've got started on the entry side. Words stenciled on there already. I didn't think they was gonna show, but they did. The paint. I'm gonna put a second layer of paint on this whole thing though. This is the sign that I did show. I can't really see it, so I hope when I spray paint it, it shows a little better. Oh, no. I'm gonna let it dry. Come back and do another layer. Oh gosh. Every time this thing is starts open. I can't open it. Oh my gosh, bro. What the heck? Not funny. Alright, so now I will be gluing on these wooden crates from Dollar Tree onto the back of the entry sign to make it stand up on its own. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so much more cleaner than when I was gluing all these slacks together. We're gonna use the hot glue for an instant stick. Everything's coming apart. Alright, you guys, so now we are fixing to bake the cake. Gotta preheat the oven. 3 something. While my oven gets preheating, I'm going to butter with a fresh stick of butter my pans. My dry ingredients, i.e. this cake mix. No blender, just the old-fashioned whisk. I'm gonna slowly add this in, one at a time, a little bit and a little bit. What I got is 2 small cake pans and then this one right here. This one's gonna be used for cake pops. And these are going to be used for the actual cake. Good morning, you guys. Today is 2 days before the event. Right now, I am about to get ready to ice and fill my cake. What I'm gonna do first is cut this cake board down because it's a little too big for my cake stand. All right, now I'm trying to figure out if I should cut it down to this size or this size for the cake. So, change of plans. I'm gonna cut it down to the pan size of the cakes instead. We have our cakes here. Sat out to room temperature for about 4 or 5 hours now, actually. Try my best to level it as good as I can. Cause I'm a child, I am not no professional. Do I want to make it 4 layers instead of 2? The thing about that is, I don't know what I'm doing. If I cut this thing down, oh Lord, I done made an incision. Oh! I got 3 layers. That's pretty good too.
us, Lord.
Ray might have her own business as a water plant. Too much work. Girl, they gonna pay you. That's why you charge.
Go in the video, TT.
What's the word? What's the song they got on TikTok? It costs that much because it takes me hours.
Go in the video. Down, say, go unsee Raven, and go unsee Raven, and go unsee. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's.
Man, what this little bug come from?
It's TQ working.
He won't go away.
It's TQ.
Can you tie it in a knot? Like, not.
Well, look like it's only one step. Good. Yay. I'll be right back. Okay.
Kaden. Kaden. Let's do a bit of it. But every day, it's time to do dance.
Old man Tom.
Oh, y'all back? See, I ain't ready. Okay, we here at Lydia's gender reveal. Teen boy. The trend is boy.
Teen girl.
But he was the first boy. First baby boy to ever. Mike out.
Oh, hi everybody. I am Team Girl because we got enough boys in our family as it is, and we don't need no more doggone boys. So it better be a girl. If it ain't a girl, I'm just gonna be all right with it if it's a boy. Justin, what you think it is?
A boy.
Look at the camera.
A boy.
A boy. Jace.
A boy.
A boy. Ooh, she's drinking that water. This is my Jess. He got a lot of sisters on his side, so we'll see. But either way, I'll be doing it.
I think you have a baby in your stomach.
What's up, guys? We're out here. I think it's a boy. I got 3 boys. Eating this good pizza right here. It's gone. You see that? Hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And come to Brookstone, November 4th, senior night, number 5.
Hey,
5 out. 5 gonna slide.
hey, no self promo. What you doing? What you doing? I mean, I don't care what it is. I just hope it's a beautiful, healthy, happy baby. You know what I'm saying? Oh, by the way, go ahead. Go ahead, check out my boy, Brookstone, number 5.
Slide 5. Hey, and like and subscribe.
Oh yeah.
Slide by.
What's up, y'all? T-girl. I hope it's a girl. But subscribe to. You saw me plenty of times. So like and subscribe always. Like I said, in that tour. I can't remember what YouTube, but like and subscribe.
Put that in there. I can't tell you what it is. Bye.
Keep up the genders. Keep up the gender.
A healthy baby.
There you go. There you go. Y'all gonna make us wait.
Hold on, let's recount. Hold on.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.